Yo, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. The time right now is 5:15 and I'm headed to the airport right now. I'm flying to Denver and yeah, so I gotta do, it's a different style of video today. We're going downtown and we'll be doing some street photography. Yeah, and I'll only be using my GoPro Hero 10. Basically, it will be like a little fun challenge, and I'll get to explore like downtown area of Denver. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm driving right now. I'm headed there. My flight leaves at 6, and the time right now is 5:15. So I think I got time, but yeah. Anyways, let's get to the airport, and I'll see you guys in the next shot. Alhamdulillah, we made it to Denver right now. Yeah, so I'm about to head to baggage claim, catch me an Uber to downtown. Yeah, I'll just see you guys there. Alright guys, I'm about to pick up the Uber right now. And yeah man, I'm about to take off this jacket though. It's hot as hell. Yeah, I'll see you guys. So guys, look where I'm at. I'm here in downtown. I already started taking pictures. Yeah, here, have a look at downtown. I already started taking pictures. Yeah, I'm here already in downtown. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to the field right now, course field right now. And yeah, got my GoPro. I'll see you guys.